Most car owners believe that white paint is limited to a flat, basic shine, but they are mistaken. Achieving that elusive deep mirror glow on a white vehicle requires a very specific science, and today we are pulling back the curtain on how to achieve it. Welcome to Top Home Finds. In this video, we are revealing the best-kept secrets in detailing as we count down the top-rated car waxes specifically engineered for white paint surfaces. Before we dive into our top picks, please take a moment to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below. Most importantly, hit that subscribe button to support this channel so we can continue bringing you the ultimate guides for your home and automotive needs. Let's get started. First up is the Chemical Guys Butter Wet Wax. Here are some of the advantages of Chemical Guys Butter Wet Wax. Enhanced depth and high gloss shine. Formulated with 100% Carnauba-based wax, this product is engineered to deliver a signature wet look. Effortless application and removal. True to its name, the wax features a creamy, butter-like consistency that allows for a smooth application process. Superior UV and environmental protection. The wax is infused with advanced UVA and UVB blockers that act as a shield for your vehicle's paint. Versatile surface compatibility. Beyond standard paintwork, this formula is safe and effective on a variety of exterior surfaces. Check the description for more details on this product. Next up is the Meguiar's Mirror Glaze High-Tech Yellow Wax. Here are some of the advantages of Meguiar's Mirror Glaze High-Tech Yellow Wax. Premium Carnauba and polymer blend. This professional-grade wax utilizes a unique formulation of high-grade yellow Carnauba wax blended with silicones, polymers, and other specialty waxes. Enhanced color depth and richness. M26 is specifically engineered to significantly increase the depth of color and richness of the paint. Clear coat safe and non-abrasive. The formula is entirely non-abrasive and safe for all glossy paint finishes, including modern clear coats. Efficient application and wipe-off. Designed for professional use, the wax is formulated for a smooth application and a tension-free wipe-off. Check the description for more details on this product. Next up is the Car Guys Hybrid Wax. Here are some of the advantages of Car Guys Hybrid Wax. Advanced Hybrid Formula. This product utilizes a sophisticated blend of natural Carnauba wax and synthetic polymers. Streak-free versatility. Engineered for use on all exterior surfaces, the formula is guaranteed to be streak-free and safe on paint, glass, chrome, and plastic trim. Rapid application and efficiency. Designed for maximum convenience, the spray-on, wipe-off application significantly reduces the time and effort required to detail a vehicle. Superior hydrophobic protection. The wax creates a high-tension protective barrier that effectively repels water, dirt, and UV rays. Check the description for more details on this product. Next up is the Chemical Guys White Light Hybrid Radiant Finish. Here are some of the advantages of Chemical Guys White Light Hybrid Radiant Finish. Specialized brightening for light colors. This product is specifically engineered for white and light-colored vehicles. Advanced hybrid gloss and sealant formula. Combining the properties of a high-gloss glaze with a synthetic sealant. Superior UV and environmental shield. Formulated with premium UV blockers, it acts as a protective barrier against the damaging effects of the sun. Effortless application and versatility. Designed for maximum efficiency, the formula can be easily applied by hand or with a dual-action polisher. Check the description for more details on this product. And fifth, we have the Meguiar's White Wax Paste. Here are some of the advantages of Meguiar's White Wax Paste. Specialized micro-cleaning agents. Formulated specifically for white and light-colored paints, this wax contains advanced micro-cleaners that effectively remove light oxidation, surface contaminants, and environmental road film. High-clarity gloss enhancement. Unlike many general-purpose waxes that focus on deep warmth, this formula is engineered to maximize light reflection and surface clarity. Superior all-in-one protection. This paste wax combines the benefits of a cleaner, a polish, and a sealant in a single application. Clear coat safe application. The non-abrasive formula is specifically designed to be safe for all modern clear coat finishes. Check the description for more details on this product. Thank you so much for watching our guide on achieving the perfect glow for your white vehicle. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more top-rated solutions. Until next time, take care!